Good morning, YouTube. This is David at Cottontails Outdoor TV. It's raining today. I was trying to wait till it slack up, but it starts off and on. So we're just gonna let it do what it do. And we're gonna get out here and see if these dogs gonna do what it do. So come on along and join us here at Cottontails Outdoor TV, where every hunt is an adventure. Oh, we got a jump. Old Ziggy, Dixie, and Jenny, and cruising. Ooh, they putting it on him. They done went in there, lost that one, and Coco done went in there and jumped another one. We ran that rat about an hour. Unless he double back on. I'm getting my exercise today. Another one on the way back to the truck. I shot at one. I guess you can say I hit and miss off camera. Not far from him, but he didn't stop. Hey guys, I ended up killing this rabbit off camera. So thank you for joining us on this adventure. Please like and subscribe, comment below. David out.